You ever look at yourself in the camera and you like, I don't know what's going on with my facial structure. Like I literally just had one of those moments, but right now I'm making tea and I'm about to make tea and eat some crackers with it. It's like 3:30 in the morning. So that's like the current setup right now. I'm saying we got the tea boiling right here. You feel me? And then we got the cracker. I'm about to get some more to chill on me. I'm about to eat the last one right here in this pack, but I'm about to get the next pack. I'm saying just a little chill vibe right now because I really been asleep all day. If you think about it, like I just start feeling like super tired out of nowhere. Like, so I just end up busting a quick nap or quick naps because I kept getting woken out of my sleep. You feel me? And it started making me tea. So, I just got to keep going back to sleep. Boy, I thought there was somebody right there. I was about to squirt somebody right there. Oh, God. That's the one thing about being in the house by yourself. You start peeping OD stuff. Like, I'm on the camera, I'm turning, I'm like, yeah, no, no, no. No, I was turning this way. I peep it. I'm like, hold on, wait. Almost squirt somebody, bro. No cap. But that's what's going on, right? I just be chilling, man. Like, I don't know what it was about today, but I was just like, I was super tired, like leaving the bank and everything like that. So I'm guessing it's probably from the Benadryl. I'm putting my scoops in right now. Sugar is at 4. To get the perfect amount, you low-key gotta go heavy. Let me show you. So you low-key gotta go sugar heavy, right? You go like, me personally, I'll go like 4 scoops and then an extra, like a half scoop of a real spoon. Feel me? You put the tea bag in there and then you done. Take it out the package. Okay, but today was more like a chill day. Monday is always like that though. Most of the time, like I really just be chilling. But recently, I haven't really been feeling it, bro. Like I've been all over the place. Like my mental been somewhere. Like if you could take a mental vacation, that's literally what type of vibe I've been on, bro. Mental vacation. Trying to do this with 2 hands. Pause. You know what I'm saying, but hold on. We always gotta mix it up. Like when you making your tea, you can't let the sugar sit in there. Like you gotta mix it up. You're not gonna get the full taste. You gotta blow off. Like you see the steam coming out. This that work, bro. No cap. I'm telling you. Look at this. I've been trying to I don't know what it is about holding it from the back facing camera, bro. Because I think I'm like obsessed with looking at myself when I'm trying to do something, bro. Or like I'm holding the camera in general. Like I think I just be trying to like look at myself. I don't know if that's good or bad though. But I be trying to do like this because when I first started even doing like vlogs and everything like that, that's how I started it off. Like this. I forgot the crackers. What was I about to say? Low-key been sick too, bro. Like, yeah, it been a lot going on. Like, I've been sick. I've been even fighting demons. Just fighting in general, bro. Like, life's been going crazy right now. It's been trying to put points up on the board, but it's like, I'm not here for it. I've been trying to put points on the board, but I can't go. I ain't even one of them, bro. Okay. Trying to test the quality, brother. Nah, bro. Like I was saying, when it comes to life, it's only going to keep getting, I don't even know what I want to say. Life is only going to keep going. Like the Young Thug song, hustles don't stop. They keep going. That's just how life is, bro. Life keep going, bro. You can check today, life gonna still go. You lose your girl, life gonna still keep going. You got to keep going. Adapt with life. Life is going to keep going. It's going to keep switching up. So you just got to adjust. That's all it is, bro. At the end of the day. And you feel like, I feel like I'm in one of those like paths right now. I'm one of those type people that I don't really like. I seen a video today that was perfect video, bro. It was a perfect video because it's like, he was talking about, wait, what did he say? He doesn't talk with people, not because he doesn't have people to talk to, or not because he feels like he doesn't have people to talk to. He feels like it's not gonna be real. That's how I feel, bro. Like most people that you tell problems to, they're not gonna really listen to it. Like, I feel like if I had somebody that was like a real genuine listener and somebody that wants to actually help, you feel me? Like, not even to like brag or anything like that, brag or boast, but like somebody like really listens to what you gotta say, like me, like I'm giving you insight. I'm giving you, okay, this what you could do, this what we could do. You know what I'm saying? Most people just be like, oh yeah, this is what you could do, da 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 da. I understand though, because most people don't have that intellect. They don't have that skill to socialize and really take into account for other people's situation because everything is about them. Most people want to be the main character. Most people want to be the main entertainment, the main source of joy for people, but that's not even really the case most of the point. I mean, most of the time. So it be like that though. Together, not everybody can be the main character. Everybody's the main character in their own story, brother. So it's like that's how it should be though. And that's great. That's a crazy point too, because it's like not everybody puts themselves first in their own life, which is crazy, bro. Like most men, especially, bro, go and chase women and put them over their priorities, over themselves, over God, over their family, over money. Like, bro, I'm like, I don't know how people could do it, man. Like, I gotta make sure I'm straight first. I gotta make sure the fam's straight first. I gotta make sure I'm good with God first, bro, because there's no point. You just gonna keep chasing a girl, not getting yourself right, and then you gonna be mad when life not treating you the way how you want it to go. Not even, because then they be caught up on a girl, whatever girl say, they going for it, bro. And it's like, guess what? You can't even change that if you've been doing that in a relationship. You can't, like you can, but it's going to take like adjusting. They got to adjust to it. You know what I'm saying? Most girls not going to want to just adjust off rip like that, especially if they a controlling type where they feel like they run the whole situation. They're not just going to go and adjust to you like that after they've been walking all over you. You crazy, bro. That's why I be trying to tell the bros, like, you gotta put your foot down in a relationship, bro. Like, nah, she's the baddest I ever seen, da 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 da. And that's where you get messed up, bro. Cause it's like you putting her over your own priorities, over you. You putting her over your life, gang. Like, I don't understand how that even became like a thing. But it's also like social media at the same time, bro. Not everybody could be on their A game, bro. And that's just life. There's so many people in the world, there's so many fish in the sea, gang. They mean that because it's true. It's so many different women, so many different people out here, man. Like, you don't have to be stuck on one person. You don't have to be chasing behind one person and they not giving you that type of energy back or like even entertaining you at all, bro. Like, I really tell people that because other people won't tell you that. Like, they'll really have you sit there and be looking dumb. Like, oh, nah, this is what you gotta do, da 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 da. And stop listening to people, bro. Like, you gotta, when you're listening to what somebody has to say, gang, like really take into account, if I do this, what's gonna happen? You know what I'm saying? A lot of people are too oblivious to even take into account what someone is really saying, that really analyze what somebody's saying, bro. Like, they're really just going, boom. Oh, bro told me do this. I'm gonna go do this. I'm gonna go run this right now. And this could be like relationships or just life in general, legal, illegal stuff. Like, I'm like, bro, I never understood that. I never understood somebody going to crash behind somebody else's word. I never understood that, bro. It's the dumbest thing on the earth. You'll never catch me like, oh, bro told me to do it, so I'm gonna do it. And it's like something so out of the blue. Like, you'll never catch me doing something like that because I always think about what is the worst case scenario, gang. And I always know that most people are not going to do no time for you. They're not gonna go in. And the crazy part about it is, bro, most of the people you call your friends will not go to your funeral. You can check today, they will not be at your funeral, man. And that's crazy to me. It's like, it makes you really take into account, like, okay, I gotta really sit here and like really, really think about like what I'm doing with my life. Like, because guess what? Everybody is going to be off of this planet at one point in time unless they make some type of infinite source of life thing, machine or whatever, a pill, whatever the case may be, bro. And that should just show you like you gotta get on your purpose, bro. Like, and I feel like I like to vlog because it's like I'm telling y'all, but I'm also like kind of reminding myself at the same time, bro. Like, get on the correct path now, or you're gonna be cooked. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna be cooked in the future, man. I really be trying to tell people that, bro. For real. Yeah. Life been lifing, bro. Like, I'm not afraid to tell nobody that. Life been lifing, man. It really been lifing, man. Okay. Life has been lifing. That's one thing I can say, man. Like, I've been inconsistent, all type of stuff, but I just been fighting, bro, battling, bro. I'm telling you, it's not for no reason, though. Like, I really been battling, fighting, bro. I'm telling you, man. Like, I'm telling you that. I said this last video, but the things I go through, bro, man, I'm telling you, like, I don't tell anybody nothing because, like, I really don't care, first of all. I know they're not gonna care, second of all. Third of all, I don't want nobody to feel like they had power over me because I told them something that they think is a secret. You know what I'm saying? And then They try to use it in an argument or something like that. And that's the thing too. I don't argue with people, bro. I just let people have it, bro, because I know that it's not worth going back and forth with. It's not worth going back and forth regardless. Because if it turned into something bigger, I'm not risking my freedom, my sanity behind somebody else. Just because we going back and forth, we arguing. I'm good, bro. I'm not doing it, man. I ain't gonna lie to you. Okay. Y'all shouldn't either. But I'm gonna leave you on that for right now.